Need to stop a Sendwave transfer? This quick tutorial walks you through the official and legal way to cancel a transaction. Follow these steps carefully, especially if the money hasn't been delivered yet. Step 1. Open and log in. Launch the Sendwave app on your phone and sign into your account. Step 2. Go to recent transfers. Tap on the transactions or recent transfers section to view your sent payments. Step 3. Select the transfer you want to cancel. Scroll through your transfers and tap the one you'd like to cancel. Step 4. Cancel if still pending. If the transfer hasn't gone through yet, you'll see a cancel transfer option. Tap it and follow the on-screen steps to cancel the transaction. Step 5. Contact support if you don't see the cancel button. If the money is already sent or the cancel option doesn't appear, tap help or contact support in the app. Provide key details like the recipient's name, the amount sent, and the reason for cancellation. They'll check whether the transaction can still be reversed. You must act fast. Sendwave transfers are often processed instantly, so the sooner you act, the better your chances of stopping it. Once delivered, it's usually too late to cancel. Now for refunds, if the cancellation goes through, your money will usually be refunded to your original payment method within a few business days. Important reminders: transfers are typically instant, delays are rare. Only pending undelivered transfers can be cancelled. Double-check recipient details before sending. Mistakes may not be reversible. Reaching out to support ASAP increases your chance of successful cancellation. Legal and YouTube policy notice. This video follows Sendwave's official cancellation policies and only explains legitimate methods. No hacks, no tricks, no terms violations. Just straightforward educational guidance to help you handle mistakes safely and responsibly. And that would be all for today's guide. I'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.